Hey, welcome back to my channel, and I have a lot of people asking me about my geese. I have the great big huge saddleback geese and about their eggs, and do I eat their eggs? Yes, I do. I eat their eggs. So this video is not about the nutritional value or anything like that because I don't know. So I'm just going to tell you about how to cook a goose egg. When we get the eggs, of course they come dirty. What the geese do, now we have straw in ours, and what the geese do, they will bury the eggs way down deep into the ground, so it kind of, and a lot of times they're muddy, aren't they, and really dirty, and so that way it kind of camouflages it so the predator doesn't know what's there. So I'm going to take these in and I'm going to wash them, and then I'll show you how to do the float test. Now, just to give you an idea how big the eggs are, here is a large chicken egg. Big difference. The goose egg is the same like the chicken eggs. It has that coating on it to protect them, because a goose will lay anywhere from 6 to 8 eggs, and before they'd actually sit on the nest. So give it a good wash, and then this is how you tell when a goose egg is good. Get you a bucket full of water, stick it down in there. If it floats to the top, it's no good. This is a good fresh egg. Now I'll show you how to cook a goose egg. A goose egg you have to cook very slow. And even at slow, you can overcook the white because the yolk is a lot thicker and creamier. There's more yolk than there is the white. So therefore, if you overcook the white, then it becomes rubbery tasted. So I'll show you how that not to happen. And of course, bacon grease. Again, we're not talking about a healthy egg here that we're eating. So this is the grease that I got from our hogs that we butchered when I make bacon. So I will use this. Okay, we'll let this melt really good. Okay. Yeah, you have to hit it pretty hard. I always take my finger up in there because the whites kind of stick up in there into the eggs. There we go. We're going to put a lid on it. We need to kind of steam it. So it's about a teaspoon of water. Now I am going to put the small egg in here just to show you comparison in size. There we go. You can season it with Italian seasonings. Now, I don't like hot peppers, but the Amish love this. I made some cayenne peppers, jalapenos, habaneros, and what was that other one called? Reapers. The Amish like their eggs with reapers. And believe me, this is going to be a hot egg. So you put about the teaspoon of water in. Now we're going to steam it so that way the yolk can get cooked. And you cook it too fast, then it becomes rubbery taste in the white part. Let's take a little bit of a peek. Not quite ready. Oh, once it what do you call it, quit sticking, you won't be able to turn it, but once it kind of quits sticking, then we can turn it. So I'm going to put it back on and steam it a little more. Now I'm going to try to flip it without breaking it. Still a little stuck here. Oh no! There we go. Put the lid on it to help keep this, cook it with the steam. Okay. Just kind of, it's still not done yet. Ever how you like your egg, basically. So I'm fixing this one for my husband because it's got the hot peppers in it. Okay, now this feels nice and cooked and the egg is not rubbery. So this is how I do it. Well, don't want to burn my hand here. Okay, I kind of flip it over quick. There you go. Okay, here's our egg. And this is the regular egg here. Look how deep and rich that yolk is. You can put, like I said, Italian seasoning on it, which is, it's a different taste and we like it. Or you can put the hot pepper flakes on it that we've done, or even the hot sauces. Here's my buddy. She always comes to me, huh? She won't let me touch her. But I want to give you a little information about these geese. Now this one is a friendly one, and right now it is mating time. And during this time, of mating time, you have to be careful. You watch your back with these guys. These could be very powerful, and they can hurt you. These guys provide wonderful eggs, and never turn your back on a goose. The goose has they'll bite, they'll clamp down on you, twist, and pull. But never turn your back on them. For more information on the nutritional value of the egg, I will be doing a video. So if you hit that bell, that will notify you of any I'm watching, so they don't reach up and grab me. Nope, go on. Go on. Take care.